Hey Divadolls, this is CRYSTALCHANEL and I wanted to record a really quick video. I get a lot of comments about my hair, so I wanted to share with you dolls one of my hair secrets as far as creating these big, luxurious, beautiful beach waves. So if you want to see what it is that I did to achieve this look, stay tuned. Okay, so as you dolls can see, I am wand curling my hair with a curling iron. I know it's kind of crazy when you think about it, but I just love the way these curls come out. They're really big, really loose, really pretty, okay? So I have a wand, like a curling wand, but it makes my ringlets really, really small. Now, I can't lie, I love the way that looks too, but because I have these longer lengths in, I wanted more like a loose, beachy kind of look. These curls actually last me for about 4 days. Every day it gets a little looser and a little messier and a little bigger, and I think it's really pretty. So, as you saw, I did the bottom part. I like doing it in medium-sized sections. Sometimes I'll do 3 curls in the back, 3 curls on the top on each side, and that's it. I did these a little bit smaller in sections. You can go as small or as big as you want. Because for the top, you really have to listen to your hair. I know it sounds crazy, but I'm gonna show you what I mean in a second. That way you get like really sexy waves. Now granted, my hair is already layered, so that's also important to have your hair layered. Okay, so when I do this, I could easily like curl it really, really tight, going all the way down, but I don't want that. I want waves, loose waves. So I just wrap my hair around here and kind of let it do its own thing. I kind of let it fall where it wants to, but I don't pull too tight with the hair. That way the curl isn't too tight, because then it would look more like a curl, not like a wave. I'm not a hairdresser, I'm just doing what works for me. So as you can see, I'm just really lightly going around the curling iron. I don't want them to be too tight. And then there we have it. So when I get towards the top, this is where I actually do like 2 big curls. So that's what I found makes it look really pretty and really wave-like. You're gonna separate this in half a little bit on the top. And then instead of me starting up here for the curl, I want to come like where I want my wave to start, which is like right here. So I kind of hold, oh, I'll burn myself. I kind of hold the hair together in a band like this, and then very loosely, y'all. Like I'm not pulling or anything. I'm just letting it wrap around very loosely. I keep it like a band. I don't really twist the hair, and I just let it naturally wrap however it wants to wrap around. You can put it underneath of this like flap if you want to, but I'm just going to hold it. Curl, let go. Look how pretty that is, y'all. I'm gonna just keep it like a band, not wrap too tight. And when I say a band, you see how wide this looks right here? Because you can pull it tight and make it skinnier, and it'll come out to be more of a spiral, not a curl. So, and pull from the middle in the back. See? And of course, if you have, you know, don't have your wig on yet, you do this while you're on a wig stand. You can definitely see it easier, but I just like to pull a couple pieces in the back and just do the same thing, just so it doesn't look really flat back there. But this is really it. This is what I do to get my curls. My waves, I should say. Look how pretty that is. And then what you'll do, you can leave it like this. You can finger comb everything if you want. What I like to do is use a big tooth comb. And then I comb through. You see that? Okay, dolls, so that is it. Again, one of the easiest styles that I've done. I have so many hot tools like curling irons. It's not even funny. I will put the link down below again to the one that I used. I'll also put the link to the hair products that I used, and of course a link to these beautiful bundles, which is virgin hair from my hairline Xocrissyhair. So I hope you dolls enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. I will do more videos like this, but y'all, when I figure something out, I'm gonna share it with you because I need y'all to be slaying and killing the game just like your girl. You heard? Okay, but anyways, if you don't already follow me on this channel, please subscribe. Also check out the links down below. It'll be a link to my fitness and my vlog channel. And if you love this video, share it with a friend. I want to thank you dolls so much for your support. Find me on Instagram, send me a message. My name for Instagram and Snapchat is @CRYSTALCHANEL. And yeah, that's really about it. I want to say thank you so much again. I'm on my way to 100K and I could never be this close or even do this whole thing without you. So I love my diva dolls. I want to let you know I appreciate you. And as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.